Top 10 Addiction Rehabs in Fort Lauderdale. If you happen to be looking for the best addiction rehabs in Fort Lauderdale, we got it all for you. Whether it's for you or a loved one, finding the right treatment and rehab for you with professional experts is the most appropriate thing to do to be able to achieve long-lasting recovery from addiction. These are the top 10 addiction rehabs in Fort Lauderdale. Number 10. Road to Recovery. They maintain their standing as a world-class addiction treatment center that sets excellent standards in the treatments they provide. They are a fully licensed and accredited center and covered by most private insurances. They also provide individualized addiction treatment and use scientific-based treatments. Number 9. The Beachcomber. They use an evidence-based approach that combines clinical expertise, client values and preferences, and best research evidence. It includes medical-assisted treatment, 12-step, relapse prevention, positive psychology, and more. They've been helping people by providing efficient and compassionate services and treatments for almost 40 years. Number 8. Galt Ocean Rehab Center. They cater to men, women, and young adults who deal with addiction. They opt to provide the highest level of personalized care and treatments to each of their clients. A client-centered community in a safe and serene atmosphere. Nutrition services and couples in recovery are part of their offered treatment and program services. Number 7. Banyan Treatment Centers, a leading drug and alcohol treatment in South Florida and cities all around the country. They treat different kinds of addictions with medical detox, treatments, and other services that are necessary. This is supported with medical-assisted approaches and proven medications to help their clients be at ease in the recovery process. They have qualified and experienced staff that will help their clients in the best way. Number 6. Agape Treatment Center. They offer treatment services that are based on the individual's needed care and treatments. Believes that addiction is not that easy to eradicate, so they provide proper nutrition, program, and plan for their clients to ensure lifelong sobriety. Number 5. Pathway to Hope. They offer services to women who are struggling with addiction and are ready to take the path of a better tomorrow. With welcoming staff and beautiful facilities, their clients can focus more on their recovery journey. Number 4. Destination Hope. They have developed some of the most effective programs that help clients achieve long-lasting recovery. This center provides benefits in an inpatient rehab program, 12-step community meetings, dual diagnosis treatment, medical treatment, and proximity to South Florida beaches. Number 3. Evolutions Treatment Center. They understand the hardship of addiction that their clients are going through, and so they encourage their patients to bring along their pets. They believe that there are many positive benefits that your pet can give you while in your recovery process. They offer types of treatments and their refined therapies in a beautiful location with professional experts. Number 2. The Source. This treatment center has luxury single-family residences and programs that are designed to help and treat their clients in body, mind, and spirit. Their staff and patients are considered as their own families. Clients will go through many tests and steps to determine a suitable treatment plan for them. Number 1. Recovery Unplugged. It is a very welcoming kind of treatment center. They are very open-minded, understanding, and compassionate. They offer LGBTQ+ friendly treatments, a pet-friendly environment, and provide family programs and therapy. They also offer a full suite of case management and court liaison services. They believe in the healing of music, and so they encourage their clients to write their music and poetry. Commitment, determination, willingness, and honesty are very important in starting your journey moving to a better place in life. Obtaining these values alongside the right treatment in the right addiction rehab is a powerful combination that will lead you to a more meaningful life. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.